Phone dying when you need it most? Let's fix that. Welcome to Power Bank, Part 4, where we're checking out some of the best power banks on Amazon built for fast charging, massive capacity, and reliable backup power on the go. Whether you're traveling, gaming, or stuck in a long day out, these picks keep your devices alive. Stick around to see which one gives you the most power for your money. And hit subscribe so you never run out of smart tech upgrades. At number 1 we have RGVOTA 40,800 mAh power bank. Stay powered wherever life takes you with the RGVOTA 2025 updated 40,800 mAh portable charger, backed by a 3-year technical support guarantee for long-term reliability and peace of mind. Designed for outdoor backup, camping trips, long-distance travel, and extended work journeys, this ultra-high-capacity power bank ensures your devices stay charged even when outlets are limited. With its massive 40,800 mAh capacity, it keeps smartphones running all day and is widely compatible with iPhone 17/16/15/14/13/12/11 series, Samsung Galaxy, Pixel, Nexus, LG, and other USB-powered devices. Equipped with 5 USB outputs and dual 5V/3A input options, it allows you to fast charge multiple devices simultaneously, while the USB-C input and output port supports modern iPhones and upcoming USB-C devices for maximum convenience. At number 2 we have AsperX 165 watts 20,000 mAh power bank. The AsperX 20,000 mAh power bank, crafted from 2 million fans' voices and 376 competitor studies, features a game-changing built-in retractable cable for instant charging anywhere. No more frantic searches for cords, just pull, plug, and power up your devices in seconds. The AsperX laptop power bank revolutionizes portable charging with its sleek, space-saving design, engineered to be 20% more compact without sacrificing performance. Perfect for professionals, travelers, and students. All-day battery life, charge your laptop, phone, and devices for 24+ hours, ideal for work, hikes, or cross-country flights. AsperX portable charger power bank adopts the latest chip solution, which can provide 165 watts charging speed, and the maximum single port can reach 100 watts. AsperX laptop power bank can provide 100 watts and 65 watts fast charging for 2 computers at the same time. At number 3 we have Anker Prime Power Bank. 300 watts total output power, offers 300 watts max output across 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A port, keeping 2 MacBook Pros running at full speed. 140 watts max fast charging, delivers up to 140 watts high-speed output for fast laptop charging when connected to a 5A cable. Power a MacBook Pro, M4 Pro, to 50% in 27 minutes or an iPhone 16 Pro to 50% in 26 minutes. Recharge at top speed, Anker's first power bank to support 250 watts max of input power using both USB-C ports. Recharge to 100% faster than ever, making it ideal for high-use, fast turnaround situations. Huge power that's ready to fly, delivers 26,250 mAh, 99.75 watt-hours, of TSA-approved capacity to charge a MacBook Pro, M4, up to 0.8 times. Smart display and app control, provides detailed charging information of the power bank and charging base, and allows manual adjustments of output power on the app. At number 4 we have Statik GoHub Slim Portable Charger. This small power bank portable charger with built-in cables and wall plug is the perfect way to charge up devices at home or on the go. Simply plug the travel power bank into the wall to use it as a charger, or unplug it to use it as a small battery pack charger portable battery charger station when you travel. Clear LED light display shows exactly how much battery you have left. No more guessing games. No more surprise dead batteries. This 10,000 mAh phone charger battery pack portable charger USB-C has you covered. Safely and efficiently charge up to 3 devices at once using the integrated micro USB, USB-C, and Apple-compatible cables. Comes with a bonus USB-C port for a 4th device on this portable power bank USB-C battery bank. The GoHub portable charger power bank wall plug is your 3-in-1 charging station, Apple and Android compatible to charge all of your devices. At number 5 we have GENSROCK 24,000 mAh power bank. Easy to carry with a super slim size of 6.6 by 4 by 3 inches and a light weight of just 2.3 pounds, this portable power station is easy to carry and ideal for travel, business trips, or outdoor adventures. It serves as a reliable backup battery power supply, providing enough energy to charge most of your essential devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Whether you're on the go or need a backup power source, this compact unit ensures you stay connected wherever you are. Safety Protection System GENSROCK Portable Power Station has a built-in lithium-ion battery and a safe design protected battery management system, BMS, to prevent battery pack overcharge, overdischarge, short circuit, overvoltage, overcurrent, and automatically triggers intelligent thermal control through the cooling fan to protect your cell phone and other devices in all aspects and extend battery life. Cycle life 1,500 times. At number 6 we have Hichain 65 watts laptop power bank. Stay powered on the go with the Hichain 20,000 mAh laptop power bank, featuring a high-capacity battery that delivers up to 1.2 full charges for a 13-inch MacBook Air, 1.3 charges for a 15-inch MacBook Pro, 3 full charges for an iPhone 16 Pro, and up to 19 charges for AirPods Pro 2, making it perfect for travel, business trips, camping, and outdoor adventures. With up to 65 watts max fast charging for a single device and intelligent 65 watts total output distribution across 3 devices, it can charge a 14-inch MacBook Pro to 50% in under 40 minutes, reducing downtime and boosting productivity. Designed with triple-port convenience, it includes a USB-C cable, 1 USB-A port, and 1 USB-C port, allowing you to charge up to 3 devices simultaneously and share power efficiently with family or colleagues. The high-definition digital display clearly shows remaining battery percent. At number 7 we have MINRISE 40,000 mAh portable charger. This solar power bank portable charger features 40,000 mAh high-density polymer batteries, offering larger capacity without increasing size or weight. Recharge via adapter for daily use, and rely on solar charging as a handy backup in outdoor emergencies. No more tangled wires or forgotten cables. This portable charger comes with 3 built-in output cables, Type-C, iOS, and micro USB, and 1 built-in USB input cable, so you don't need to carry extra cords. It supports 5 output options, including Type-C to C and USB-A cable, and 4 input methods offering unmatched flexibility wherever you go. The solar power bank is made of sturdy ABS material, with anti-fall thick silicone in each corner. The charging port is also protected by a silicone cover. Anti-fall/dustproof/waterproof design, playing an important role in outdoor emergencies. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, don't miss this power bank. At number 8 we have ECOFLOW Rapid Pro X Power Bank. Power 4 devices at once. Experience ultimate convenience with this versatile portable charger power bank, charging 4 devices simultaneously with 300 watts total output. Features 1x 140 watts USB-C port and 2x 65 watts USB-C ports, ensuring your iPhone fast charging needs and laptop power requirements are met. Plus, it includes a 2-feet retractable USB-C cable with magnetic block, so you can charge on the go without carrying extra cables. Extreme fast recharge speed. Say goodbye to long charging times with this battery pack power bank. From waking up to leaving the house, it only takes 20 minutes to fully recharge. With an ECOFLOW 320 watts charging station, this power bank for iPhone reaches 80% in just 20 minutes, perfect for a quick boost. Dual port charging offers rapid recharging. 140 watts single port input charges to 80% in 40 minutes, while 280 watts multi-port input achieves 80% in 26 minutes. High capacity for long-lasting power, with 27,650 mAh capacity. At number 9 we have Ekrist Power Bank 25,800 mAh. Stay powered longer with the classic design 25,800 mAh portable charger, built with an advanced intelligent controlling IC for higher safety, reliability, and long-lasting performance. Each unit undergoes 100% inspection and continuous aging tests to ensure dependable quality and extended battery life. With its ultra-huge 25,800 mAh capacity, this power bank can charge most smartphones 6 to 8 times, eliminating battery anxiety during travel, commuting, or outdoor activities. Designed for universal compatibility, it supports iPhone 17/16/15 series, iWatch, Samsung Galaxy devices, tablets, Bluetooth accessories, and most USB-powered electronics. It fully recharges in approximately 8 to 12 hours with a 2.1A charger or 12 to 24 hours with a 1A charger. 4 LED indicator lights clearly display remaining power levels, and the built-in smart protection system safeguards against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. At number 10 we have DEWALT Heavy-Duty Portable Charger. Stay powered in any environment with this rugged 10,000 mAh portable power bank, built for durability and dependable performance. Rated IP67 for dust and water resistance when the port cover is securely closed, it's designed to handle tough outdoor conditions, making it ideal for work sites, travel, hiking, and everyday use. Equipped with fast charging technology, this battery pack efficiently powers up your iPhone, tablet, or other compatible devices with speed and reliability. The integrated utility carabiner loop adds convenience, allowing you to securely attach the power bank to your work belt, backpack, hooks, or lanyards for easy access on the go. Built-in LED charge indicators clearly display remaining battery life and charging status, so you always know when it's time to recharge. Encased in a heavy-duty, rugged exterior, this portable charger is engineered to withstand repeated wear and tear while delivering consistent power to Apple, Android, Samsung, and other USB-powered smartphones and devices.